Hi my friends, in this tutorial I want to teach you how to create imaginary photos you want. First of all, I go to the sticker section and search for the word sky. Then from the tools section I go to the curves and do some adjustments to the light of the image. Again, I go to the stickers and search for the word girl swinging. Then from the adjust section, do some adjustments to match better with the background. For example, from the temperature, I reduce the temperature.
It's been a while since I ran into you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you.
Again, from the sticker section, search for the word tree.
Rain poured out my face, but that's alright. I smile, people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot.
Again, I do some adjustments for the tree to match better with the background and my subject. Then from duplicate section, I duplicate the tree and put it on the other side. From the effects section, there are many filters that you can choose for your image. Then from the stickers section, I search for the word rope to seem that my subject is sitting on the swing. From the sticker section, I add the image of the moon and the white light for it. So that's it. If you like the tutorial, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and hit that notification bell to not miss any tutorials.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying.